Yo, what up everybody? It's your boy Julie Jules and we're back with another unboxing and review video. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the NearStream CCD30 USB 3.1 video capture card for streaming or recording. You can use this capture card to record or stream at 4K 60 FPS, HDR10 or 1080 60 FPS, HDR10. It has ultra low latency. It's compatible with Xbox Series X and S, Xbox One, PS5, PS4 Pro, PS4, PC, Mac, and also for DSLR cameras. So that's pretty dope. Shout out to NearStream for sending this out to me for review. But no matter what, y'all, I'm going to give y'all my honest opinion. So let's go ahead and unbox this bad boy and see what it looks like. All right, y'all, in the box comes a quick start guide. Comes with a USB-A to USB-C. Looks like you can also, take that off and you can go USB-C to USB-C. So that's pretty dope. And then you have an HDMI cord. And then we have the NearStream capture card. So it looks kind of small for a 4K capture card, but that's good. Like, small is good. It doesn't feel like it's cheap at all. It feels very nicely made. So let's go ahead and take a look at some of the stuff on here. So on this side, we have the USB-C. We have the HDMI out right here. And then on this side, we have HDMI in. And then on this side, I don't know if y'all can see, but you have a microphone port, and then you have a headset port in there. So that is pretty dope. If you are doing a dual stream, or not a dual stream, but if you're trying to get like capture your teammates and their sound, you know what I'm saying? If you're on like console and you're streaming on PC, then you would hook you can hook your headset into here and it'll capture what you hear through your headset. So that's pretty dope. Let's go ahead and hook this bad boy up, and I'm going to show y'all how to hook it up properly. Right now in my PC, I have a Elgato 4K 60, the M.2. So that one's like super low latency. So with these external capture cards, I haven't had one since the Elgato, the HDS or something like that. It was a 1080 capture card, and it was like the latency was pretty bad on there. So I haven't had a extended or an external 4K one. So I am very interested to see how it does compared to my Elgato that's inside my PC. So let's go ahead and hook this up and see what it looks like. All right, y'all. So because I'm hooking it up to my streaming PC, and that PC is under my desk, and I don't want to be having to bend down and like hold the camera and show y'all exactly where everything's going. I'm just gonna show you how you're gonna be setting it up. Okay, so you're gonna want to make sure that you take their HDMI cord. Okay, I'm just saying this just because I tried to use a different one and it did not work. So use their HDMI cord, and with that, you're going to plug that HDMI cord into your PlayStation or Xbox or whatever console or PC or whatever, okay? So you're going to put that into your PS5, and then that is then going to go into the in, okay? So that's going to go into the side right here, into the into the HDMI in. Now you're going to want to put the USB cord that comes in the box. Like I said, I tried a different USB and it did not work. So I don't know why that is, but I'm just saying if you want it to work properly, use the cords that they give you. Okay. So with that, you're going to plug that into the other end of the NearStream capture card into the USB-C. Okay. And then this part is going to go into your PC. All right. So if you have a stream PC or a laptop, this is what's going to go into the stream PC. Okay. That's going to be how you capture your, the gameplay. Now, for the other HDMI, the HDMI out, that is going to be what's going to go into your monitor. So whatever is going into your monitor or TV or whatever you're using, you're going to want to put the HDMI for the monitor into the HDMI out, and then the other end into your monitor or your TV or whatever it is. So that is how you set things up. So I'm going to go ahead and show y'all what it looks like. Once you open up OBS, you're going to go into your scenes. You're going to hit the plus sign. And then you can name it whatever you want. I'm going to name it NS for NearStream. All right. And then once you're done with that, you're going to go into your sources right here. You're going to hit the plus right there. And then you're going to go to video capture device. All right. I'm just going to leave it as video capture device 2. You can name it whatever you want. You can name it gameplay or whatever. You know what I'm saying? PS5, PC, whatever. You can name it whatever you want. Then you're going to hit OK. Then in the device area, see, it's trying to capture my Elgato, but I'm going to hit on the devices and I'm going to go down to NearStream CCD30. Okay. And then as soon as I did that, you can see that it popped up. And if you see it like this, that just means that you don't have the right resolution in if it's not, covering your full OBS screen. So what you're going to want to do is go down to resolution FPS type. I'm going to go into custom. I'm using a 1440p monitor, so I'm going to hit in the resolution. I'm going to go 2560 by 1440. It automatically popped up for me. And then I'm going to go down. You can leave it just like this and it'll be just fine. But I usually go into the color space and I select Rec 709. And then for the color range, I usually select full. It's all up to you, no matter what. Like if you just leave it as is, it's going to be a great picture. But this is just the settings that I usually choose. And then after that, you just hit OK. You're going to see this red border around. That means it's because it's not locked in. And then you're going to want to lock it right here, right next to the eye icon. You can hit the lock button. That just locks it right in. And then, as you can see, everything's working just fine. Let me just go ahead and show you both screens at the same time. All right, y'all. So we jumped into a match of Supremacy in Star Wars Battlefront 2. And as you can see, it is very, very little, not even noticeable latency. And the color looks amazing. It's kind of hard to play from far away and, get this captured. But I just wanted to show y'all what it looks like on my main screen as well as on my screen that is capturing the gameplay. All right, y'all. So now let's get into my thoughts and opinions on the NearStream CCD30 capture card. All right. So to be completely honest, y'all, this thing was much better than I thought it was going to be. Like, I had no idea about this product, and after seeing the quality, I'm very, very impressed. Also, it's simple to, get hooked up and get you started on your live streaming or capturing gameplay. So the simplicity of it and the quality is absolutely amazing, as y'all seen in the demonstration. Uh, I have a Elgato M.2 4K inside my stream PC, and this is very, very close to the quality of that. And the low latency that is on that is is right up there with that. So for a capture card that's only $150, yeah, I said it, y'all. It's $150. You can find it on Amazon, or you can find it on NearStream's website. So I'll put the links to both of those down in the description. But $150 for a capture card that can capture 4K gameplay, that's a deal. That is a real deal. So if you're looking for a capture card for your PlayStation 5, your Xbox, your Switch, your PC, whatever it is, this is going to be the one to go for, because it is $150 and it can do everything that a capture card that is $250 or more can do. So let me know down in the comments what y'all thought of the NearStream CCD30 capture card, and I will see y'all in the next video, y'all. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe for more, y'all. I'm out. Peace.